If you want to start your career in cybersecurity, then capture the flag, commonly known as CTFs, are one of the best ways to get started. If you are someone who's looking to kickstart your career in this exciting field, then you have come to the right place. I am the CyberFreak and I'm here to guide you through your journey. Together, we'll explore the captivating world of capture the flag competitions. CTFs are a fantastic way to dive headfirst into cybersecurity, learning the ropes in a practical, hands on manner. I'm making an entire CTF series. I'll cover the CTFs and not only solving them, but also telling how to think like a hacker and hack the system. And what better platform to start with than picoCTF? picoCTF offers a beginner friendly environment that is ideal for those who are just starting out. But don't be fooled, it also offers challenges for seasoned pros. Before we dive in, I want to mention a significant change that picoCTF has recently made on their site. Initially, they categorized their challenges based on points, but now they have transitioned to a new system, categorize challenges as easy, medium, and hard. This new categorization makes it more straightforward for you to gauge the difficulty level of a challenge and to choose which ones you feel are ready to tackle. So, as you navigate the picoCTF platform, keep this in mind as you select your challenges. In one of the previous videos, we did encounter this where we were very easily able to get 300 points. Title of the challenge was music. It should be showing in the card right now. In this series, we won't just be solving CTFs, we will be doing much more than that. I'll be sharing with you my thought process, guiding you on how to think like a hacker, and showing how to break down complex problems into manageable tasks. So, are you ready to hack the system, to think like a hacker, to step into the world of codes, ciphers, and algorithms? If your answer is yes, then stick around because we are just getting started. Welcome to our CTF series on picoCTF. We have already started two series, General Skills and Web Exploitation, which should be appearing in the card right now. And I will leave their links in the description. You can check them out. I'll be uploading two videos per week, first on Sunday and then Thursday. The different time zones are being listed here. Like the video and subscribe the channel to hack the YouTube algorithm and get all the latest updates.